OSHA is the Occupational Safety and Health Administration and was born out of the Occupational Safety and Health Act passed by Congress in 1970. Now, the purpose of this law was to establish health and safety regulations for the workplace that previously didn't exist. Now, OSHA is known for saying, "We can help," and their mission is to prevent injuries and help protect workers from unsafe conditions. They cover all private sector businesses in the United States and government workers in 22 states under OSHA-approved programs. It's important to know that OSHA does not cover workers who are self-employed, family members working on a farm that doesn't employ other people, or those workplaces covered under another agency like the Coast Guard or the Department of Transportation. OSHA standards are simply a list of rules that businesses must follow in order to protect their workers from various hazards. Now, these standards are broken down into four main categories: construction, agriculture, maritime, and general industry. But for the purpose of this training, we'll be focusing on those standards in the general industry and construction categories. Some examples of areas where OSHA standards are in place to protect workers are noise limits and protection requirements, chemical use and storage, personal protective equipment, fall protection, the use of scaffolding, and employees' right to know about hazards, protections, and resources. A few standards that relate specifically to the construction industry include the use of cranes and rigging, electrocution, and caught in between standards that identify hazards associated with construction site equipment. Now, OSHA uses inspections to ensure that all standards are being met. During an OSHA inspection, the inspector will meet with the employer and walk through the facility. An employee representative of the site may accompany them during the inspection if they like. Workers can also talk to the inspector privately to share any concerns they have regarding safety. Well, after this, OSHA may issue citations depending on the results, which may include fines and will outline the dates by which the violations must be remedied. Now that you understand the background, purpose, and standards of OSHA, it's time to move on to discussing how employers uphold these standards and what responsibilities they have for ensuring their workers' safety.